How Do I Love Thee by Elizabeth Barrett Brown. Sonnet 43. How do I love thee? Let me count the ways. I love thee to the depth and breadth and height my soul can reach when feeling out of sight. For the ends of being an ideal grace, I love thee to the level of everydays. Most quiet need by sun and candlelight, I love thee freely as men strive for right. I love thee purely as they turn from praise. I love thee with a passion but to use in my own griefs. And with my childhood's faith, I love thee with a love I seemed to lose. With my lost sense, I love thee with the breath, smile, tears of all my life. And if God choose, I should but love thee better after death.